Using Split View in Helium Browser is useful when you want to work with two websites side by side at the same time. For example, comparing information, taking notes while reading, or multitasking without switching tabs constantly. To use Split View, start by right-clicking on any tab and selecting Add Tab to a new Split View. The browser will immediately split your screen into two side-by-side tabs. Once Split View is active, you can click on either side to choose what you want to load. You can enter a web address in the address bar, select a bookmark, or use a shortcut to open a website in either pane. You can also adjust the size of each side by dragging the divider between the two tabs, so you can give more space to whichever page you're focusing on. This is especially useful when one page has more content or you want to prioritize what you're currently working on. There is also a second way to create a split view. Hold down Ctrl and click two different tabs so they are both highlighted. Then right-click on one of them and choose New Split View with Current Tab. This will instantly combine the selected tabs into a split-screen layout. After creating a split view, you can also adjust the arrangement of the two sides. Right-click on one of the tabs, hover over Arrange Split View, and select Reverse View. This swaps the left and right sides so you can quickly switch positions depending on what feels more natural for your workflow. If you no longer want to use Split View, you can easily separate the two tabs again. Just right-click on one of the tabs, hover over Arrange Split View, and click Separate Views. This will return both tabs back to normal individual windows so you can continue browsing them separately. And that's all there is to it. Split View in Helium Browser is a simple but powerful way to multitask and keep two websites visible at the same time without constantly switching back and forth between tabs. That's everything you need to know about Split View in Helium Browser. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.